Going to be seeing our house halfway done. Anyways, say hi, girls. Hi. Hi, guys. Okay, so now we're actually going to be heading over to the house, but first we're actually going to go get some food because it's going to take a little bit to get there. Because right now we've been staying in a hotel. But yeah, as you can see, they're very, very excited. But yeah, also guys, I have to tap here because, yeah, but okay guys, let's go get some snacks, shall we? Yeah, so I have to tap here because this is my first video. So yeah. So now we're gonna go get some food. Ooh, I think I'm gonna get some water and probably chips. Okay, let me just come over here and grab my water. Perfect. And now, also guys, yeah, like I said, I'm gonna have to do it from here, but now I got my chips, so let's come over here and pay. Okay. Hey, sir. I think this will be all. 2 bags of chips, and then 3 bags of chips and 1 water, please. Also, do y'all have any more waters? Sorry, we're out of stock. Oh, that's fine. Okay, I know y'all are hungry. Come on, let's go. Mom, can we get in the car? I'm hungry. Yes, we can. Hold on, get in the car. Okay, so now we're just going to head into the car and we're going to head over to the house. Okay. Also, guys, since this is my first video, y'all have not met my daughters, but my daughters are, say names, guys, Emma and Amber. Yeah. So those are my daughters. Okay, guys, so we made it home, but sadly, Emma had to go to her friend's house because they both didn't finish their homework that's due tomorrow, so, yeah. Yeah, I'm so sad that my bestie couldn't make it. Well, first of all, your friend can't come because y'all can't even have a sleepover here because it's not done yet. Anyways, so I'm so excited to give y'all this tour. And yeah, so it's not done yet. So we will give y'all an updated tour once it is done. But for now, we're just going to go in. So right here is the garage. We don't have a door yet, so this is where sadly we're going to have to go through. But so we come in here. In here we have our little laundry room. So right here is actually where I end up usually doing my work. So it's just a little calm area in here because we all know my kids don't like to do laundry. Hey, I do sometimes. Okay, anyways, so as y'all can see, we don't really have any floors done, but so we come in here, we have the workout room. Right here is where you can get changed into your workout or yoga outfit. Right here is where you can do ballet because both of my daughters do ballet. And then, yeah. Mom, this is my favorite part. Me too. So over here we have the treadmills actually. And yeah, so, and then we don't really have any other rooms done yet. So that's all we really have so far. But yeah, so, but here's the yoga mats. Then we also have a punching bag and then some workout benches. We have some mirrors to see ourselves in. And we have also weights, duh, because this is a workout room. But yeah, Mom, I'm so excited to get a workout in. Me too. Okay, so that's the whole tour. Do you have anything you want to add on, Amber? I don't think so. No. Oh, okay. Well, so that's the tour so far. Guys. Because they barely just started building our house. But I think it's really coming along. I think it's turning out really good. And so now I think we're done with the tour because there's no other rooms done yet, sadly. Bye, guys.
Baby girl, you are so pretty, pretty.